Can you lose belly fat and keep your ass? The short answer is no. The long answer is yes. Let me explain. In this video, we are talking about fat loss, not weight loss. They are not the same thing. Weight loss is when you lose everything. You lose both muscles and fat. Fat loss is when you lose fat and grow or maintain muscle. One thing about fat loss that people do not want to accept is you cannot spot reduce it. You cannot choose one area like the belly and choose to lose it from that area. You are going to lose it all over. This means your face, your arms, your chest, your belly, your legs, your ass, all over. You are going to lose this fat all over. But since fat occupies more surface area than muscle and you are losing fat, then you are going to get smaller, but you will get smaller all over. But this is not a bad thing. People think women with massive asses are attractive, which is not true, at least not by themselves. What makes a great female physique is the waist to hip ratio. This means you must have a slim waist compared to your wider hips. And to achieve this, you do not need to be big. The size doesn't matter. The ratio is what matters. This means you can be a big girl or a small girl, but you will still be attractive as long as your waist is smaller than your hips. As you're reducing your body fat percentage, you're going to be reducing the size of your waist. At the same time, since you're working out with heavy weights and you're eating the right way, you're going to be growing your muscles. This means long term, your waist will become smaller and your ass muscles will become bigger. This means you are not going to lose your ass long term. Yes, the size might reduce, but you're going to look way sexier because you're going to improve your waist to hip ratios.